A trip around the galaxy is what we're going to do today. I'm just going to show you a little preview of it, see if you like it, and then we can talk about a cruise plan for you. My name is Kendall, if you have any questions, so let's get started. First, here we have Mercury. It's closest to the sun, so it's kind of hot. There's not really an atmosphere, it's very rocky, but if you want a nice place to swim, you definitely want to come here. The water is very clear, very nice, and you could see like exotic animals, like crazy ones, like a pig mixed with a flamingo. It's crazy. This is it. Like, look at that. Like, it's very pretty. Nice shade of gray. Next we have is Venus. Now it's a little weird. It rotates backwards, but it's a nice weird. It's known as the Earth's twin because it's kind of, you know, same thing as Earth. It's heavy on the CO2 atmosphere. Fun activity to do here is hike up the volcanoes because there's lots of volcanoes. It can give you a very pretty view, so you might like that. You can see it's a very weird, like kind of orange, yellowish color, but you can see that the volcanoes are all over it. So yeah. Next is Earth. Like, we kind of live there. It has a rocky surface. It's an inner planet, which means like a little, it's not as close to the sun as the other planets, but it's close. It has a 24-hour rotation. A fun thing to do here is play basketball with humans because, I mean, humans live there, which is kind of obvious. So here it is. It's blue. Very nice shade of blue, and green, which is really nice. So yeah. Next we have Mars. It's a rocky surface. It's another inner planet, a little farther away, but it's still an inner planet. Has Olympus moons. A fun activity to do is play video games with aliens. Now, people say aliens are rude. They're not. Just don't get on their bad side. They're actually, they might beat you at video games, but that's okay. Just try. It's a very nice color. I mean, look at that. It's just beautiful to explore and just to see all the aliens and stuff. They're actually pretty cool, so you might like it. Next we have is the asteroid belt. A little break from planets. Like, a fun thing that I would suggest to do is hopscotch across the rocks. It's very fun. It's kind of, it's a new thing. It's like the newest thing added on to our little thing here, so you might want to try it. Like I say, it's really cool. Now we're back to planets. Next is Jupiter. It's the largest planet, so it's very big. It's very spacious if you want that. Has the most satellites and shortest days out of all, so whatever you're doing, you might want to get quick and get it done. A fun activity to do is jump rope with Jack. I know what you're wondering. Who is Jack? No one knows. He was just kind of there when we first went there. He was just jump roping. So if you want to go and jump rope with Jack, you do that. Here is Jupiter. It's very beautiful, if I say so myself. So, next we have Saturn. It's known as a gas planet. It's an outer planet, so a little bit farther away from the sun. It has the most rings of all planets. So because of the rings, like what I would suggest to do is drag races on the rings. It's lots of fun. Yeah. So you see those beautiful rings you'll be racing on. It's a nice course, I would have to say. So yeah. Uranus is next. It's also a gas planet. It's an outer planet, and it rotates on its side, which is a little weird, but it's still pretty cool. A fun activity to do here is fly a kite because it's very windy. Very windy. So you would be able to see that, you know, your kite flying in the air. But it looks a little weird, but once you're actually on it, it actually looks really cool. Neptune is next. Longest revolution time of all the planets. It's the farthest away from the sun, so it's going to be a little bit colder. It's blue due to the methane. And fun activity to do here is go ice skating. You can do basically any type of ice sport, but I would suggest ice skating out of all of them. It's blue. That's the prettiest shade of blue I've ever seen. It's very beautiful once you get on it. It's a little cold, but you'll like it. Last is Pluto. Even though it's not really classified as a planet anymore, it's still very nice to visit, just, you know, add to the excitement. It's basically a ball of ice. I mean, if you're a cold person, you would like this. It's a fantastic place to sled if you are into that sort of thing. But if you're not, you just try it. You might like it. And last is the asteroid belt. The thing I would do here is play baseball because there's no way you can miss the rocks. You will always hit one because they're everywhere. So there's no losing. So yeah. I hope that you liked the presentation. Hopefully you'll want to go on our cruise coming up this spring. I really hope you like it. Please contact me if you have any further questions about the cruise. Thank you.